He's looking for his wife because look. Oh, she's outside. He's outside, and the lady enforcer is out the inside. Okay. Oh yeah. Go down. Hey, go down. Oi. Go down. Get in. Oi, get in.
Good job.
Oh, get in. No. Get in. No. Get in.
Get in.
Get in.
Get inside.
Get inside. Oi, oh, kami. Oh, no. You come. Get inside.
Get inside now.
Okay.
Good job.
Get in. He's looking for his wife. Okay, get in. Come. Okay, kami.
Dapat hindi siya pumasok.
Kami na. Oh, no. Okay. He's turning around. Look. Okay. Go ahead and turn around. No. Go there, go. Go na. Go there. Okay, come. Oh, okay. Quick. Get in. Get in. More get inside. Okay, get in. Get inside. Oh, okay. Get inside. Oh, good job. Oh yeah, good job. Wow. Good job, Eli. This is Lee and Eli. Oh, you're good because you're outside already. Kami. You gonna catch me? You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me? Guide me, huh? I'll touch you. Ang montek. Almost, huh? I touch already. I'll touch you. I'll touch you, eh? Oh, almost, huh? Okay. No. Go outside. It must be outside. Okay. Oh. Outside. Oh, no more play. Okay, you must go outside. Go outside first. Go outside. 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 Come here. Go outside. Come outside. Come on outside. Come on. Come on. Faster. Come on. Okay. I'll go. I'll back up. I go to the back. Okay. Come on. Outside. Come here outside. The door is open for you. Out you go. Okay. Come. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're outside again, huh? Okay. Let's play. Oh, good job, huh? Okay. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. He's coming. She's coming. Oh, come here. Right here. Okay. Right here. This is my stress reliever. So I'm gonna play with them and talking while holding the video. Okay. So let's do the play. Come. Nakanganga. Your mouth is already ready, huh? Come. Right there. Come here. Okay, come here. Oh. Come. Well, let's play. Okay. Come. Oh, let's right there. Oh. No. Nobody need inside. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Okay. Eli and Lee. Come here. Right there. No. Don't get in. Don't go. No. Oh. Come outside. Come on. Come here. What they're doing. Come here. Oh yeah. See? The lady is so heritable. Boy. He wants to jerjer, huh? Because he's biting the head of the lady enforcer. Oh yeah, see? He wants to jerjer. The boy said, I like to jerjer now because they have that video. Oh, see? He said, yeah, I'm jerjer now. Okay? Oh, yeah? So come outside. Come. See? Come inside. Come. Oh, right here. Oh. Come here. Oh. He's positioning for jerjer style. Oh, see? Come here. Oh, okay. See? Oh, okay. No. There's a video cam. If you want to jerjer inside that black box. Oh, see? They're always completing they're in the jerjer in the black box. Come here. Yeah. Said no. I don't think so. That's what she said. No. Okay. Oh no, please don't. Oh no, please don't. She said, oh no, please don't. Okay. It's a jerjer style, he wants to bite my hand, my finger too. Kami. No. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Kami. Okay, come here. Oh. They're doing kissing each other and then after that you're jerjering together. Yeah. Come. No. See? They're in the back again. Okay? They're in the back again. Look. In that place, they're doing jerjer. See? That lady is very aggressive. Then she wants to bite my finger toe. Look. See? In that box, they are doing the gergerin. So, me, here, gergerin. Okay.
Ang part ito?
Okay. That's all for today. And let's see what if they're doing inside. Then I'll do the same. Nyah. Okay. That's all for today. Be my guest and be my lovebirds. Don't forget to subscribe and love my channel, Kadongsky Style Castro. Hasta la vista, baby. No face involved because space sounds like familiar. Alhamdulillah. Mia. Bye bye.